Hey there everyone, Dr. Beth Westy here, and I do these videos just to educate women more on their bodies, their health, how everything works and functions, and so that you can learn these little tips that make a huge difference in getting you towards your goals a heck of a lot faster and easier. I'm the author of the book, The Female Fat Solution, which is on Amazon, and I have a podcast, The Female Health Solution, and YouTube channel, which is Dr. Beth Westy, which you can subscribe to stay updated on all the videos I do. Now I wanted to talk about intermittent fasting, doing it wrong. And one of the worst things that happens for women is that when you're intermittent fasting and you're not taking into account your hormones, you're actually causing your body a lot more stress. That in turn then throws off your hormones even more. Sounds ridiculous, I know. So we're talking about intermittent fasting, right? This can be doing either the daily intermittent fast, or it can be doing, you know, like you're doing like the 16-8 is the popular one there, right? Or say you're doing like a 24-hour. One or the other. Either one that you're doing, you can honestly do either one really wrong. If you're eating like one big meal or two big meals, it's too much for your stomach to digest. If you're not getting enough food in, you're not going to get enough hydration. It's also going to be way too stressful on your system. Now that increase in cortisol also throws off your hormones, specifically progesterone, which feeds into estrogen dominance, which then can impact things like PCOS, endometriosis, fibroids, right? Throw off your cycle completely. I mean, how many of you have been under stress and like skipped a period or something? And maybe you're thinking, okay, yeah, that's not really that bad. But if you're hitting the gym really hard, if you're trying to eat really, really clean and you're not fueling your body properly, all of that will prevent you from getting those results. You'll feel like, I'm going to the gym all the time. I am there regularly. I am busting my butt. It's not like I'm just taking it easy in there. I am really working hard. And I'm eating super clean, yet nothing is happening. Oh my God, Spot. I'm sorry if you can hear him. Yes, this is Spot. Oh yeah, hi puppy. Yeah. You know, oh, you definitely have dog breath. Oh my God. Oh my God. Zenny. Oh my God, it's really bad today. Woo. Okay, what did he eat? I think he ate garbage. I think he just ate garbage. Okay. Anyway, back on track. You're going to the gym. You are doing all of these things. Hi, Stefan. And you're not getting any results, right? Nothing is happening. Nothing is moving forward for you. And it's not because you're not at the gym enough. It's not because you're not working hard enough. It's not because you ate that cupcake last week. You know what I mean? It is really because you're actually causing too much stress in your system. So what I do is work with women in a close capacity, you know, either in a group program or more often one-on-one, to really get you to align your nutrition with your hormones and your cycle, and then make sure that stress comes down and stays down so that you don't waste your time anymore. You're not going to wake up, you know, next week, next month, next year, still at the same spot, still struggling and wondering, oh, why do I even bother? Why do I even bother going to the gym? Why do I even bother trying to eat healthy all the time if I'm not seeing these results, right? Super, super frustrating. No more of that for you, honestly. This is going to be one of the things that changes it for you completely when you start really addressing the right things for your body and your hormones. And below this video, I will put a link where you can fill out an application to work with me in a one-on-one capacity. I'm only taking applications through the end of April. So if you're really tired of wasting your time and you're not going to want to, you know, start something just to feel like it's not working for you again, this is really the right thing for you, because I custom create a one-on-one program for you to make sure you're working with your body, your hormones, to get the best and fastest results. So that's what I got for you guys right now, talking about daily intermittent fasting. I want to talk more about the 24-hour fasting, but that's going to be a whole other video. Really talking about, if you do this correctly, it's amazing. If you do it wrong, can be the complete opposite. You're going to feel like crap. You're not going to get any result. You can actually gain weight from it instead of lose weight. And it can actually slow your metabolism down. And it's all related to cortisol, or stress, the stress hormone. So stay tuned tomorrow for that video. But I hope you guys have a great night. Thank you for listening. Click that link below. You're going to be so happy that you did. Ugh, stop wasting. If you feel like you have to join another gym or try a different program or try something else, no, try something that is meant for you, that is created just for you, step by step, every day, so that you know you're doing things that are successful for you. All right, have a great night. I will see you later.